Are you ready?
Ready.
You're glowing in the light. We're pumping. We're pumping. It's going to take a while. It's like 70 yards. $93 yards on a house. Dang it.
3D printed.
3D printed it. What's wrong with you, boy? Been smoking weed this morning. Wacky weed. I wish I could get. There's kind of a precipice there. I can't get over there to film the concrete. This is going to take a while. So here's my crawl space piers. Barrett right there. And our tall wall.
They're gonna just for 2 seconds use the thing.
Of course they are. They ain't gonna wheelbarrow it. But you're right, it'll be 2 seconds. As a matter of fact, we'll probably have a bunch of waste down there. Because I mean, the amount in the hose will fill that up. What they'll have to do is they'll have to block off that end section, pour it up to there, and then let it set for a while before they pour the rest of that wall, because the pressure that would blow out anything they got stopping up down there. Now they move to this side, and the concrete will come and run around down here, go this way. See, Barrett, they're doing the same thing right here. They can't pour this wall all the way up until this wall pretty much fills up, and that part right there would kind of come out under the pressure until it sets up a little bit, and then they can pour that lift there. Is it coming? Here she comes. It's like cold lava, but more useful. Got a ways to go. footing guy put a curved step there, so dang, I didn't do any slow-mo on the concrete. What do you think, Barrett?
It's neat, yeah.
It's pretty cool. And the rain held off. It was sprinkling on the way over. When Barrett and I were coming over, and they had just started pouring. Actually, we got there before they started pouring, didn't we? And so I'm excited. Had a little bit of a blowout where the footing, that last little video part I took, oh, the curve. The step in the footing was curved, and so their forms didn't exactly fit. What was that?
I have no idea, dude.
What the heck? So their forms didn't exactly fit that tight up against it. But anyway, it's no big deal. I'm just glad to see him here.
Yeah,
It's been a long process waiting here.